Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all an exchange which I give an E rating. It's nice and easy to use for those of you who are finding it difficult to use the Binance, or who are finding it difficult to verify your Binance and all of that. I'll be showing you this particular platform or exchange in which you can use to do your peer-to-peer trading and other things you want to do using this exchange here and all of that. And the sweet part of this particular platform is that the trading fee in this platform is only 0.06%, which is the lowest trading fee any platform can ever give and all of that. So if you're in Nigeria, you can easily use this particular platform or exchange to use your Naira to buy from your bank, directly from your bank to this platform, and then you send it back to your Naira account and all of that. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can also get $5 free all for grab. For those of you who will be interested in that, you'll be able to see how you can be able to get it and all of that. So all you just need to stay to the very end of this video so you can be able to grab or see everything I'm going to be sharing with you. So without more further ado, if it's your first time to join me on this particular channel, please, all I want you to do is to click on the subscribe button and the notification button as well. That is one way you can be able to show your support, to show your love to your boy, by subscribing and clicking on the notification icon so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop informative and educative content like this. And the name of this particular platform I'm talking about is known as WitEX.io. Yeah, WitEX.io. WitEX.io is powered by OKS. OKS is the one that's powering this particular exchange. And this OKS, their security level is very high. If you have used OKS before, you can try it out. You will see that OKS, which is powering this WitEX.io, they are very strong and their security level is also high. So I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do, from how you can be able to deposit your cryptocurrency, from how you can be able to buy from your bank, directly from your bank to the exchange, and then if you want to withdraw your money, you can also do the same. I'll show you how you can be able to do that and how you can be able to trade the futures, the spot, and everything. I'll show you how everything works and all of that. So guys, once you click the link on the description box, it will take you here. All you just need to do is to put in your email address or your phone number into this description here. You click on put in your email address. You just need to do is to click on this get started. Once you click on get started, so to bring it to this page, you create a password. After you create a password, you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, send for your verification in your email. All you just need to do is to go to your email, put in the verification code, and then you sign up. So you put in the password that was sent to you, then you click on verify. It will take you to the next page, and as you can see, it has been successfully signed up. So after putting the code that was sent to you on your email account, you will see that it will automatically sign you up on your account. All you just need to do is to confirm. Click on the icon at the top here. You will see your email address and your IP address and all of that. So you can see that you have been able to sign up. The very next thing you need to do that is very important is for you to go to your account, see your account very well. You'll see the verification aspect. All you just need to do is to come to the verification aspect and verify your account in order for you to start making use of this particular platform effectively. Look at the menu. In the menu here, you will see different features, different stuff that this particular platform has for grab. You see that starting from the first here, you see it has buy crypto, market, sports, perpetual, future, margin, option, and you come to this area, you will see my request, assets, your profile, and where you can be able to change your language. I'm going to be explaining all of these things one after the other. So in this particular video, I'll divide it into two. Let me not elaborate this video and make it too big lengthy. So I will just explain what different features here will do. So starting from the buy crypto, in this buy crypto aspect, this is where you can be able to this is where you directly buy BTC, USDT, or any other cryptocurrency you want to buy on your own using your Naira or peer-to-peer and all of that. You can see you can be able to do that using your your expert, using the expert aspect or the peer-to-peer aspect. So in this particular area, you have the access to buy with your card or do a bank transfer using the peer-to-peer. I will show you the practical aspect of how you can be able to do that, and you get it directly to your wallet and all of that. Now, if you come to this particular market area, this market area is where all the cryptocurrency are listed, and in this particular aspect, we have the WitEX.io has up to 400 pair of spot market in which has been listed, or cryptocurrencies peer-to-peer which has been listed. As you can see here, these are the different currency pairs that have been listed here, up to 400 of them and all of that. So if you look at it very well, you see it from the top. You can also filter them from the top, from the blockchain and all of that, if you want to go through them one after the other. Now, if you look at the spot area here, if you click on the spot area here, it also shows you this where you can enter an actual spot trade or market room, where it gives you the option for you to enter a spot trade or market room in order for you to buy whatever crypto that you want to buy using the perpetual aspect. So this spot aspect gives you the opportunity to venture into buying, or you can also filter it where you can be able to swap and all of that. All you just need to do is to look for the coin you are looking for. Let me say I want to buy X. I tap on ETH. Once I type on ETH, I will see the different features. As you can see here, these are the different features I will see right here. So I will just pick on them, or the particular one, then see the chart and everything about the particular currency or pair you will pick. Then coming here, this is where you see the book order, where you see both the buyers and the seller in this particular aspect. Then if you come to this particular aspect, this is where it's a feature that don't have an expiring date. It's always open until you close the order on a profit or on a loss, or when you get liquidated. But when you trade using the future aspect, this future aspect here, when you trade using the future aspect, this one has an expiry date, a quarterly aspect, whether quarterly or monthly and all of that. You can see here, this is where you see all of those futures being mentioned and all of that. This is the chart pattern. This is where you see the book order and all of that. They are quite similar. All of these things are quite similar to each other, both the margin, future and all of that. They are quite similar to each other and all of that. So in this particular, here you see my request. This is where you track all your activities, your transactions that you have done on a long run and all of that. Whatever transaction you must have done within a period of time, you'll be able to see it in this particular aspect. Why, if you come to this place that you see assets, you go through, you go to your deposit, or you want to withdraw, you will see everything that is been happening here. You can deposit, you withdraw, you see all your currency or all your cryptocurrencies within it. Why, if you click on this profile aspect, this is where you'll be able to see the overview. That is the general stuff in which you do on this platform. You see everything, both the combination of all your cryptocurrencies, you see all of them in this particular aspect. While the security aspect, this is where you put the two-factor authentication. I always advise that you should do that in order for you to protect your account and all of that. Now, coming to this verification, for those of you who want to trade, who want to use the P2P by buying cryptocurrencies and all of that, I always say verify your account before you go into any of these things, so that you will not end up losing your money. So verify your account using your NIN or your international passport or your driving license, whatever ID card you have, use it to verify it, and then you get started. So all of these things, why, if you click on this particular aspect here, is where you can be able to select your preferred language and you select the cryptocurrency that you want. So this is how these WitEX layouts, all of them is. All you just need to do is to calm down, go through them one after the other. You will see that you will be able to know how to make use of it. It's not difficult, it's quite easy, and you can be able to trade. In my next video, which is the part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to buy crypto and be able to transfer crypto and get started with all of these things and all of that. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification, and don't forget to give this video a like. It will go a long way to reach out to others so that they will be able to benefit from this video. See you on my next video. Peace.